Hello dear students, in today's lecture we will study chemical reaction of aniline. Now we have studied synthesis, property, uses of aniline. Now chemical reaction of aniline. When we take this amino group, then aromatic amine give us electrophilic substitution reactions. Then you have to understand first what is meant by electrophile and electrophilic reactions. The positively charged species which has a tendency to accept electron is considered as an electrophile. So aromatic amine giving us electrophilic substitution reactions. Question will arise why? Then whenever we are taking a amine, the nitrogen of amine having a non-bonding electron pair, it has a tendency to donate electron pair. And you know that the substance which donate electron pair is known as a Lewis base. So it is observed that aromatic amine is working as a Lewis base, and therefore they are giving us electrophilic substitution reactions. Means one positively charged part removed from molecules and another positively charged part will added. So when electrophile change, then it is known as electrophilic substitution reactions. Now one by one we have to study three type of electrophilic substitution reaction. First is a nitration, second is a bromination, and third is a sulfonation. So totally three reaction we have to study. Which are these three type of reaction we have to study? First we will study about nitration of aniline, then after bromination of aniline, and then after sulfonation of aniline. Now let's start. Now I have taken a mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid for the purpose of nitration. Nitration reaction can be carried out by using a concentrated nitric acid as well as sulfuric acid. Now whenever we mix these things, then we are getting three things. First we are getting water molecule, then we are getting HSO4 minus, and we are getting a electrophile nitro NO2 plus. Question should arise in your mind, how this thing is obtained? Then you are knowing very well, sulfuric acid means nothing but H plus NHSO4 minus ion. Nitric acid is nothing but hydroxyl group and NO2 group, HNO3, NO2 plus and OH minus. Now OH of nitric acid react with H plus of sulfuric acid and giving us water, and remaining thing HSO4 minus and NO2. So NO2 is nothing but an electrophile. So just I have informed the definition of electrophile. The positively charged species which has a tendency to donate electron pair is known as an electrophile. Now as an aromatic amine we will take a aniline. Now aniline is allowed to react with a concentrated nitric acid as well as concentrated sulfuric acid, and temperature of reaction just I will maintain at up to 288 Kelvin. Now you are knowing very well, here amino group is orthopara directing group. So when these two things mix, we are getting three things. What are the three things? Water, HSO4 and NO2. So water will be obtained first as a byproduct. Now here para positions, ortho positions is active. So in a para position, this HSO4 minus will take H plus ion, electrophile will remove, and it will convert in a sulfuric acid. Now in a place of H plus, NO2 group will enter, and as a result we will get para nitro aniline. So para nitro aniline will be obtained as a major product. But you are knowing very well, this amino group is orthopara directing. So with this we are getting a With this we are getting a orthonitroaniline also. So I have obtained orthonitroaniline as well as para-nitroaniline. So just I will write the name of structure, para-orthonitroaniline. Now what will happen? Here we have taken an acidic medium. In acidic medium, this amino group, react with H plus of acid because it is Lewis base. Donate electron pair to H plus and converting in a ammonium ion NH3 plus. And this ammonium ion is meta-directing group. Therefore, with this we will get a meta-nitroaniline. So whenever nitration of aniline is carried out, we will get a mixture of ortho, para and meta-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline, orthonitroaniline and meta-nitroaniline. Then suppose I want to obtain only one product, then amino group I have to block. How I can block? Understood it here? Suppose this amino group is allowed to react with acetic anhydride. This is the structure of acetic anhydride. Amino group is allowed to react with acetic anhydride. If amino group react with acetic anhydride, then here oxygen having a partial negative charge, carbon having a partially positive charge, H react with this aceto group. So I will get two things. First I will get CH3, C double bond O, NH. Means amide linkage I will get and byproduct will be acetic acid. So if I want to obtain only mono substituted product, I don't want these mixtures, then first amino group is blocked with acetic anhydride. So just I will write here, suppose I want only para-nitroaniline. Then first aniline is allowed to react with acetic anhydride. Aniline is allowed to react with acetic anhydride, byproduct will be acetic acid. Now NH will convert in a NHCOCH3. And you know very well, benzene ring, NHCOCH3. Then what is the name of this structure? ये structure का नाम क्या होगा? तो आपको पता ही है. This is known as a acetanilide. चलो अब आगे करते हैं. अब acetanilide का नाइट्रेशन ले लेते हैं by using this nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Suppose I use this nitric acid and sulfuric acid, temperature maintained by me 288 Kelvin. तो byproduct water मिलेगी. अब ये एसिटो ग्रुप इज पैरा डायरेक्शनल ग्रुप. अब ऑर्थो एसिटेनिलाइड इज ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप. बट ये ऑर्थो में यदि स्ट्रक्चर में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, देन स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस विल बी मोर. सो वी विल गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट पैरा नाइट्रो एसिटेनिलाइड. सो आई विल गेट हियर ऑन नाइट्रेशन ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर गिविंग अस पैरा नाइट्रो एसिटेनिलाइड. Now whatever para-nitroacetanilide obtained to us, now we have to perform hydrolysis in the presence of acid. चलो इसका hydrolysis कर देते हैं acid की presence में. Then hydrolysis is nothing but addition of water molecule. Here nitrogen negative charge, carbon positive charge. Then water will be added. Now you know that hydrolysis means addition of water. OH will be added on carbon, H will be added on nitrogen. So as a result, I will get this structure which is known as a para-nitroaniline. So here, this mono-substituted reaction product can be obtained by using these reactions. Dear students, this reaction is most important. In TY BSc, suppose you will take a chemistry, then this practically you have to perform. First, by using aniline, you will prepare acetanilide. In one step, I will obtain. Then in second step, hydrolysis of this para-nitroacetanilide, I will get a para-nitroaniline. So this way, nitration of aniline is performed. If we perform nitration of aniline by using concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid directly, then I will get a mixture of product ortho, meta, para, nitro, aniline. I have explained you in detail कि भाई चलो मेटा स्ट्रक्चर हमें क्यों मिलता है. Then in acidic medium, amino group converting in ammonium ion, which is meta directing group. Suppose reaction we are performed by using acetic anhydride. यदि हमें mono substituted product चाहिए, then reaction is performed by using acetic anhydride. So first we get acetanilide. Now acetanilide on nitration giving us para nitroacetanilide. Now this product, whatever obtained to us, we have to perform hydrolysis, and hydrolysis giving us only para nitroaniline. So by using this method, we can perform nitration of aniline. Now take a screenshot of these things, then we go for next part. Now we have to study bromination of aniline. Now bromination of aniline can be carried out very easily. First we have to take aniline and just we are preparing solution of aniline. Now this aniline is allowed to react with 3 moles of bromine. So now bromine giving us a 2 type of ion, electrophile as well as nucleophile. By disproportionate reaction, it gives partially negative charge, one will get partially positive charge. Now amino group is ortho para directing group, so this both position is ortho position. Here H plus ion will be there, here H plus ion will be there, and this position is para position. So now 3Br minus ion, 3Br electrophile will come in a place of H plus. So this 3Br minus, just I will write Br minus and Br plus. So this 3Br take H plus ion from ortho and para position. So first byproduct we will get a 3 moles of HBr, and in a place of H plus ion this Br will come. So H plus go and Br plus will come. So it is an electrophilic substitution reaction because electrophile is changed. And as a result I will get this product, and it is known as 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. So here I have obtained this 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. 2,4,6-tribromoaniline is obtained to us. Now same reaction, suppose I want to obtain only para product, only one mono substituted product is obtained, then we have to block this amino group. So now this amino group is blocked by using a acetic anhydride. Now it allowed to react with the acetic anhydride. Now when it reacting with acetic anhydride, byproduct will be acetic acid, and we will get this structure. This is known as a acetanilide, NHCOCH3. Now whatever acetanilide obtained, its bromination is carried out by using bromine solution prepared in a acetic acid. So here mono substituted product will be obtained, H plus ion react with this Br and remove in the form of HBr. Br will undergo disproportionate reaction, one Br minus, second will Br plus, Br minus combined with H giving us HBr, and bromo group will enter in a para position, and as a result we will get para bromo acetanilide. So name of this structure is para bromo acetanilide. Now whatever structure obtained para bromo acetanilide, it undergo hydrolysis reactions. It undergo hydrolysis reaction. Now hydrolysis of this is carbon will get positive charge, nitrogen will get a negative charge. Hydroxyl group enter on carbon and hydrogen will enter on nitrogen. As a result, I will get mono substituted product, means this is a para bromoaniline. So by using these two different methods, suppose we want a mixture of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, then aniline solution is directly allowed to react with a concentrated bromine solution, and as a result we get this white crystalline solid substance. This white crystalline solid substance we obtain, which is 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. And if aniline is allowed to react with acetic anhydride. It gives acetanilide. Now acetanilide is para-directing group. It is ortho-para-directing, but in ortho steric hindrance will be more. So bromo group will enter in para position, and as a result we get this para-bromo aniline. Now question should arise in your mind, why this way reaction occurs? Then it is observed that suppose we have this amino group, means we have this acetyl linkage NHCOCH3. Why it is para-directing? Then here nitrogen will donate electron pair. Just I will write here nitrogen at here. Nitrogen donate electron pair to carbon. Now this pi bond electron will transfer on oxygen, and due to this type of resonating structure we get. Now nitrogen have a given electron pair, so double bond form between carbon and oxygen. Oxygen having a negative charge. So this type of resonance will be there. Now on nitrogen there is a lack of presence of electron pair. यहाँ nitrogen के पास non bonding electron pair नहीं है. Therefore only mono substituted product will be obtained. So we get a para-bromoacetanilide, which on hydrolysis we are getting a para-bromo aniline. Now take a screenshot of these things and we go for next sulfonation of aniline. Now we go for next part, sulfonations. Now you know that sulfonation reaction can be carried out by using a sulfuric acid. So aniline is allowed to react with a sulfuric acid. Now you know that sulfuric acid means H plus and HSO4 minus. So what happened? This nitrogen is working as a Lewis base, or aniline is working as a Lewis base. So nitrogen give electron pair to H plus ion. So this type of intermediate product will be obtained. Now here NH3 plus and HSO4 minus. So this type of intermediate product or salt will be obtained. Now further heat this salt at a temperature 483 to 488 Kelvin. Then rearrangement occurs, and during this rearrangement reactions, from here OH and from here H will remove in the form of water molecule. It remove in the form of water molecule, and as a result we will get this type of structure, and this thing is nothing but sulfo group is present in a para positions. So it is para-amino sulfonilic, para-amino benzene sulfonic acid, or common name of this structure is sulfonilic acid. Now this sulfonilic acid is water soluble acid. This acid is soluble in water like anthanilic acid. So here sulfonilic acid will be obtained. Now here this structure having a resonance. Nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair, so nitrogen give electron pair to hydrogen, and as a result this type of Zwitter ion we will obtain NH3 plus and SO3 minus. So here this type of Zwitter ion will be also obtained. This is considered as a Zwitter ion. Means what? Zwitter ion means what? If on any single structure positive charge is also present, negative charge is also present, then it is known as a Zwitter ion. So aniline, when allowed to react with this, whatever aniline we have, it allowed to react with sulfuric acid. It gives anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Name of this structure we can give anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Now whatever anilinium hydrogen sulfate obtained to us, this is further allowed to heat. When we perform heating of this structure, then water molecule eliminate H from here and OH from here. So this will be removed in the form of water molecule. Now OH from this much part and H from this part when removed, then from remaining this much part, what is remaining? Then SO3H will come in a para position, and we get the sulfonilic acid, which is also converting in a Zwitter ion. So aniline giving us a electrophilic substitution reactions, but this amino group does not giving us Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. Then why this does not giving a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions as well as acylation reactions. In a 1 mark short question, anyone can ask you why aniline does not giving us Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation reaction. Then you are knowing very well, in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation reaction, we are using anhydrous AlCl3. Now this anhydrous AlCl3 is nothing but a Lewis base. It is nothing but a Lewis, it is working as a Lewis acid. And our amine group having an electron pair to donate, so it is working as a Lewis base. So when aniline is allowed to react with anhydrous AlCl3 for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, their acid and base reacting with each other and giving us salt. So salt formation occur for aniline, and therefore aniline does not giving us Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation, because when it gives salt, it become inert in a nature. So dear students, in today's lecture, we will have a discuss chemical reaction of aniline. Aniline giving us a 3 type of electrophilic substitution reaction: nitration, bromination and sulfonation reactions. Now all the best. See you in next lecture.